Having a truck is just so convenient. I've had a lot of different cars before, but I always gravitate going back to having a pickup truck because of all the things that it can actually do. If you have a 2021 to 2023 XL or XLT model, and if you're looking for seat covers for your truck, then stick around. This video is about exactly that. Center Cover sent me this product to see if, just to review it, see if I like it or not. What I have on the F-150 is just, it's an XL model, so it's a basic cloth seat covers. It's very comfortable. I really have no issues with it, but it wouldn't be nice to have leather seats. And I know I have dogs. There was one time that my puppy actually had an accident. And yeah, it wasn't that hard to clean, but if that was leather, that would have been easy to clean. Oh, it looks really premium, so let me show you real quick. Whew! We're inside the F-150. I'm gonna install it now. I'm gonna start from the front, walk my way in and back. I'm probably gonna fast this forward because I don't want to bore you of me trying to figure stuff up. I did watch that video first from their website, and it seems pretty easy, but it's getting very hot, over 100 degrees, and it's humid. Anyway, let's move on. Oh, I'm gonna fast forward and I'll come back, and then let's talk about quality, ease of installation, and then lastly, price. Take me out, I need a break. Oh my goodness. I was able to install the driver's side, and it seems pretty snug, but not quite snug enough yet. Once this is done, don't secure it yet. Try to put the side where you sit. You can't get it wrong, even though it's not labeled left or right. When you look at the seat though, there's gonna be holes right here for your seat belt, which kind of tells you whether it goes left and right. As soon as I figure this one out and I finish installing the driver's seat, installing the passenger seat should be a lot easier. I am drenched in sweat, but front seat is done.
I found this on the web.
Yeah, this video really is not installation because there is already an installation video. This is just really a review, but I kind of want to see if installation is hard or not. But hard, no. Tricky, yes. Do you need extra tools? I know there's a tool that installation video tells you, kind of one of those pry tools. I didn't have to use it. Just be patient. After you install it, you'll be happy. And we'll talk more if I would recommend this seat or seat cover for your F-150. One thing I was disappointed on was when I installed the product. At that point, I was happy and I'm very excited until I started installing the back seat. It doesn't fit. This product is actually meant for a full set, full crew cab F-150. So the seat covers is a little bigger or larger or longer, where it creates crumples in the back seat. So if you have a extended cab like me and you're okay just having covers under your passenger and driver's seat, then as far as the quality is concerned, you'll be happy with this product. If you have a crew cab or a regular cab, you'll be happy with this product. No problem, you install it. It will enhance the interior of your truck. I will highly recommend it. For the price, it's really great value. But if you have an extended cab, probably not. Unless you want your front seat with covers, and then the back seat, they won't have any covers, or I don't know. I think I have OCD. I want everything to match. So for me, I wouldn't buy it because of the kind of application that I have in my truck. As far as the quality is concerned, I think this one, I'd give it, I don't even know how to scale it, but yeah, it looks good, it feels good, it seems to fit perfect. Fit and finish, quality, no problem. One good advantage of this seat covers is that it adds storage in the back seat. That's all I got for this video. My name is Bombo. I'll catch you in the next video. If you like this content, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to my channel. I'll catch you in the next one.
Sunlight, dearest sunlight, I am calling you across the old room. Sunlight,